Go ahead.
Thank you. He's with me. We love shopping at Costco, and it can be a great place to save money. But do you ever wonder why your bill is so high every single trip? $200, $300, $400. Are you really saving money? Hey everyone, I'm Flo, and I'm here to help you make life simple, ordinary, and joyful. We've changed the way we shop at Costco over the last few years, and for this particular year, we are trying to eliminate the debt in our lives. So we are making even bigger changes, and here are some ways that we hope you can squeeze out just a little bit more on your next visit to Costco. I don't know if you've noticed, but on the signage of the pricing at Costco, sometimes you might see a little asterisk in the top right-hand corner. That asterisk actually means that they're not planning to restock the item. This drives me crazy, especially when I have fallen in love with a product and then I see the little symbol on there. I make sure that I grab just a few more in case it doesn't come back. Sometimes it's just temporary, but when it's not, it's super, super sad. When you see the 97 cents, it means that they are priced to sell and they're not coming back because of the asterisk. And $9.97 for 3 pieces of baking sheets, that's a pretty good deal, although I don't need any more baking sheets. That's the hard part. I have to keep telling myself that. Often we don't go through the big, giant packages of perishable items. So we try to keep our purchases of produce and meat down to a small package if possible. I find sometimes it's really hard to buy perishables at Costco because they're in such big, huge packages, but berries are small and doable. I know for sure we can finish this, right?
Yep.
Another thing that we have found helpful is having a food saver so that we can vacuum seal some of the items and they won't go bad as quickly. This is one of our favorite cheeses, and when we buy it at the Italian market, it's like you get about a sliver, maybe about that much for the same price. Mind you, it's probably aged longer, but you can't beat the price of Costco for cheeses. And I find because we have a food saver to vacuum seal our cheeses, they would last way longer. So buying such a big chunk is not a big deal. Rotisserie chicken is always a great buy at Costco. It's one of their loss leaders. It gets you in the store. It's at the back of the store, so you have to walk past all the things that will tempt you before you can grab something for dinner. I don't know if this is at every Costco, but at our Costco, we can get chicken legs and not just a whole chicken. And we prefer dark meat, so this is perfect for us, but it's not as inexpensive. They charge by the kilo, actually. So $7.99 per kilo. So this has 4, I guess they're called leg quarters in the US, for $8.42. And a whole chicken is $7.99 here. And I have to say the Costco chicken is so much better than all the other supermarkets around town. Just saying. Juicier, tastier, cheaper. And strategically placed next to the rotisserie chicken are all the take-home ready-made meals. And I have to say, some of these meals are pretty decently priced. Instead of going out, I would probably pick up something like this instead. Right? Look, you can feed a whole family for 16 bucks. I mean, I know I talk about trying to cook your meals at home, but sometimes it's just for whatever reason, getting already made meal is a better option. And they have some pretty good selection at Costco.
Even the quinoa?
Okay, I'm not a big fan of quinoa, but okay. As I mentioned, the rotisserie chicken is at the very back of the store. So all the items that these Costco buyers put along the way, you wonder why your cart is so full. You have all these things in your cart that you didn't even know you needed. Thankfully for us, we're trying to save money this year. Otherwise, there would have been a ton of stuff in my cart today that I definitely did not need.
Yes. Who would have thought that you need one of those crazy toilet seats? Those Japanese toilet seats. Dude, seriously?
It's so cute!
I'm a bit horrified by the prospect of chocolate hummus.
One time I saw 3 little old Chinese ladies sitting at the dining table eating the samples that they collected around the store.
Awesome.
I want...
Oh.
No. My mom was a florist and she just retired last year, so I have to pay for flowers now. And this is a really good price because I think if she sold it in the store, well, first of all, if she still had her store, it would be free for me, but she would sell these probably for 20 or 30 bucks a pot. So that's a pretty good deal. Still the best deal in town. Thank you.
Are you bloggers?
We are?
Yeah.
I hope I will not see my face in the YouTube.
Well,
Thank you.
See ya.
And of course, the best deal at Costco is their hot dog and drink for $1.50. I don't know how much it is down in the US, but that's how much we pay here. And one other thing that we learned about Costco Concession is that they started making the pizza dough in the bakery at the back. And so it's a different dough than the one that you get for the takeout pizza. So if you order a pizza from the concession, it's a tastier pizza. So here's a tip about the pizza. After you check out, go order your pizza at the concession, load up your vehicle, come back, pick up your pizza, and you'll have a hot piping pizza for dinner. You want me to go this way or go straight? All right, best deal in town. I know all you Ameri friends don't have fries down in the US. So sorry. Not.
This is the taste. Costco Micro Edition. So as we said already, I'm sorry, Ameri friends, that you guys don't get fries. That is the most shocking thing. You guys should totally have fries to go along with your hot dogs. And as we all know, that this is probably Costco's major loss leader to bring people into the store. So let's talk about the fries, shall we? We got gravy with it today. These fries are, I think, sourced out of Prince Edward Island, which is a province in the Maritimes, eastern Canada. And these fries are battered, so they're coated, so they have an extra crunch on the outside. I don't know if you guys can get some ASMR action or not, but crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, seasoned just nicely, and with the gravy, so good. But just watch out because it's pretty hot. I'm not gonna do it.
Emptiest cart ever.
So what do you think? Are there gonna be carts beside the Jeep?
I think you parked pretty close to the post, or what are they called?
The pillar.
The pillar.
Amazing. There's no carts jammed up inside the Jeep.
Having the fridge would have been nice.
Yeah, well, we pulled the fridge out during the off season because, well, don't need it.
No, we don't need it. But I do have a Costco bag here with ice packs in there.
Yeah, been using it for years and it's been great. So let me help you with that.
Oh yeah, whatever. Let's not fool ourselves. Costco is in the business of making money. But if we can save a little bit more by shopping a little bit smarter, let's do that. My favorite time at Costco is rebate time. When I get my rebate check from Costco and I can go into the store and leave with a cart full of free groceries, I'm happy. Check out my other Costco videos and we'll see you over there.